So we have been discussing about different sources of business ideas, from where we get the inspiration, like customers, government policies, people around us, our competitors, rivals, right? All of these are the examples of sources of business ideas. Moving to the next one, we have the next topics. Let's go to the slides first. Yes, we have methods to generate the business ideas. Now, if we do not get inspired by things around us, there are different methods from that we can get inspiration, right? So ideas give the start to everything. Without idea, your execution is impossible. And even if you have a good idea, but the execution is not good, then also it is a failed idea because it is not actionable or which is not improvable, right? So though it may seem quite easy to generate cool business ideas, sometimes you just cannot find inspiration for this, or lack of information prevents you from coming up with a really successful idea for your next startup. So it might happen that you have idea but you do not have supportive ideas, you do not have a plan to organize the things, or there is a lack of information, which could be in today's generation problem. The problem with today's generation is that they are jack of all but master of none. Is it or not? That they have little bit information about everything, but if you ask them any particular thing, they would definitely not know. Right. For? That is not a thing. I'm asking about it is about a no kind of saying that jack of all and master of none means what? You have little bit knowledge about everything. If someone comes to you, you will answer them. But if it goes about concept or it about deep understanding, you won't be able to answer. Right? So that depends on the topic, whether it is your favorite one or not. For example, if I talk about boys, if I talk about cars or bikes or girls, anything like that, so you would be better to answer than you will be better than me also. But if it is vice versa, then if I ask cars to girls, then there might be a problem. They would be knowing the models, but they would definitely not know all the features. It's about the person who is interested into the particular topic and not interested in the particular topic, right? So a lack of information prevents you from coming up with a really successful idea for your next startup. So starting entrepreneurs are very careful about sharing their ideas with anyone. So you should not discuss it anyone, because they might kind of steal your ideas, or they might try to improvise your idea on their own way, and they might copy you as well. We also have first copies, second copies. Have you ever heard of what is a first copy? The exact duplicate thing or replica of that particular. Right. So that might happen, and we have seen many people around us who do copy the branded things, right? For example, we have Nike, we have Reebok, we have Adidas. All of them have their first copies and second copies, right? So the original remains the original, but still there are people who will copy you, there are people who will try to duplicate you, right? So your idea should be a prime condition there, right? So starting entrepreneurs are very careful about sharing their ideas with anyone. They're afraid that someone will steal it or start executing it right now. It might happen if I tell my friend before I could start, they will start it, right? So it might happen that they steal your ideas, and there is a reason for that. On one hand, any idea remains just an idea without execution. If it is not actionable, if it is not executable, it remains on paper only or in your mind, nothing else. Nothing could be done with that. Or on the other hand, an interesting business idea can become a good start for building a great product. Or it might happen you come up with a great idea which could definitely work out in a great way, and you might earn profits out of that, right? Naman, can you put that phone away? So you look at after, no? Chal. So there are methods. There are methods that shows that how will how we will generate the business idea. So the first one is become inquisitive. That means what? Be interrogative, be questionable, be keen to know about different things, right? Questionable in the sense, ask questions, show curiosity about learning things, right? Without which you would not know. If someone asks you, you would definitely not know, na, if you do not have the background knowledge of it or do not have any extra information on that particular thing. So start being interested and involved in what is going on around the world. Find 30 minutes a day to read popular blogs, news portals, or watch hot news. So why we need to keep updated ourselves? If I am in a business, or if I'm in an industry, working in an industry, if I have my own business, why would I need to have news, daily news? What do you think? Why to have the latest news is more important?
To be updated ourselves towards what is going on outside.
Okay, that would also be one of the sources books as we discussed before. Acha. Okay, fine. Fine, I'll get it afterwards. Okay. So ask questions, get to know different things that is happening around you, right? Without which you would definitely not know that what are your people around you doing, or how does they work, how are the market trends changing nowadays, right? So again, if you need to know the customer change, customers' preferences, your business ideas could definitely improve on it, right? So becoming aware will not take too much of time, but can help you to know a lot about different industries and innovation. For example, if I'm not listening to news, I would definitely not know what is happening around me. And if someone from that same news comes to me and asks me about the development of that particular topic, so I would be blank. For example, if I talk about Afghanistan, that had a blunder or that had a warlike situation, or you can say Taliban is captured Afghanistan, right, last month. So if you do not know, how would I discuss the situation to you? Because you'll be blank about the situation, that what is happening there. But if that is not on the spot now, you need to learn, you need to know what happened there. Great. So again, if you know that today morning, I saw the news that now the schools are being reopened and women are also offered to go jobs, but following the Talibanese rule. So that means again that is under the threat of Talibanis, right? And definitely it would take a longer way for the Afghanistan to recoup back from that situation, right? So that is the idea, that you need to get updated every time with whatever happens around you, right? Next one is focus on problems. Now, why focusing on problems is could be a method for generating ideas.
So that if we get the solution, we get the idea from it. And focusing on the problems help us to take out the cons of our ideas. And from that, we can choose great ideas.
Okay, for example, if you don't know the situation or what is the problem, then how would you find a solution for that, right? So focusing on problem obviously generates invention of solutions. Always happens by detecting the problems first, right? So successful business ideas solve real life problems, like learn about the problems people face in daily life. For example, the concept of luxury manager, how did it arise? It arises out of the people's need, right? Because people were having money, but they did not know how to spend.
Companies need luxury is for the
luxury manager luxury manager are the people
who manages all the luxuries of the company.
Of not of the company, of the people.
But then also
but
providing
companies providing, there was no concept of luxury manager before 5-6 years in India, na? So how did it get invented in India? By the people's need. Because what was their problem? That people were having money, people were having funds, people were having resources, but they don't know how to use, right? And that is why they hired luxury managers. So in this situation, the problem was that there was no way to invest that money other than share market or investment or something like that, right? So that is why the concept of luxury manager came into existence, right? So if you focus on the problems, if you see people around you, what is happening to them, what is their problems, how can one be the solution for the problems? So that could be one of the source of ideas. So talk with family and friends about the problems at work, in sports, with clothing, foods, etc. Think about your own problems and difficulties. Is everything perfect in your life? Probably there are things you would love to improve or change. Think about it. Chalo, what are your life problems? Tell me. Look, I'm not going on an emotional path, but yes, practically, if you could solve any of your problem with any of your product, so what would be your idea to have that for a solution to make ease of life? Chalo, individually, everyone, any one problem that you are facing and you would like to have a solution for. It could be any product, it could be any service, anything that you could do on.
Urban plus. Garmi, basic idea.
But you could have ACs now. That is not present right now. That is not existing in the market. But you want to have something like that in future. Something that could improve your life, that could change your life, or even
Light gone.
inverter is already there. It would come back in 2 minutes only.
2 seconds.
2 seconds. Let it be. 2 seconds is already passed. Yes, anyone? People sitting online. Akansha, you said Akansha is not coming. Akansha, electricity. I'm talking about the things which is not into the existence. It's about your life. Yes.
Your life, make it last. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
For example,
I can invent a new idea of generating a simple way of a new method.
okay, you can find out new ways to generate electricity, right?
Then I make money.
Tesla.
Okay.
Electric car.
Electric cars. That is a company's idea. You could not do that.
No.
You could even think about more than that.
Electric Activa.
Electric Activa.
Petrol ટાંકી કાઢીને battery કરાવી.
But it's already going on. Electric bikes are not there.
Electric Activa, particular.
Electric Activa. So that could be a thing that is not even into existence. And you could definitely work on that situation where it could be one of the futures in India. What else? Chalo, think. Think, open your think tanks. So Devansh, Harshil, Lisa, Natik, Yash. Every people is sitting online, huh? Literally, matlab. So if you're sitting online, you need to answer. How do you indulge to that if you are not a part of it?
They are our college mates.
So
We feel sorry about them.
sorry about them. This is
If
not the
they
place.
get-
This is not the place to do the things. Okay, this is a college campus, not a garden.
આ તો એવું થયું કે રાજકોટમાં નીકળો તો તકલીફ છે કાં તો તમને સિટીમાં આવું બધું ન કરો કોલેજમાં આવું બધું ન કરો કરવું ક્યાં તો પછી
Find some good place then, I would suggest.
ઓહો અનુભવ
Yes. Of safe driving cars. Okay, but we have safety guards in our cars.
ભટકાઈ તો મારવું કોને
That's an Indian problem then. Chalo, Devansh, why Devansh is sitting quiet today?
I'm eating snacks
This is not time to have
અરે
snacks.
ગમે ત્યારે રાતે તમારે ફોન કરે કે હું નાસ્તો કરે થોડી વાર બાદ મોકલું
Recording is going on. You better not talk about that. Yes, Harshil. Harshil is also there today. Lisa, Natik, Yash. Chalo, at least answer no.
એવા સમય ચેક બોક્સમાં ટાઈપ કરશે
I don't know why you love chat box or you are afraid of saying. I don't know why. Chalo. So I could think a situation where I could improvise my life, right? I could make better things in my life so that it could get better in some or the other way. For example, I think a situation where I would not do any work physically. There are robots. Okay, the concept of robots is going on, improvising every day. Now, for example, in Bangalore, there are IT companies who are having robots instead of people. So firstly, improvisation of the technology, right? And again, there are people who would kind of will not have jobs because robots are being hired in place of people. So there might be a pros and there might be a con too. Every situation has pros and cons. So if you look at technology's advancement, then it is a good situation where robots are working, not the men are working. But again, on the other side, people are losing their jobs because of the robots hiring, right? So that could be two sides of same coin.
ઓમ જોવા જઈએ તો જોબ જાતી નથી એ લોકો રોબોટને સુપરવાઇઝ કરવા કોઈ તો હોય છે
But how many people will you need? Robot can do work for 10, for 100.
but technology is a machine the time when you give that particular command it will only follow that
You have seen, everyone might have seen the movie Robot.
yeah.
So what happens there?
એમાં એને multiple order થયા તો એને model કરી જ નાખ્યું.
But that is what I'm asking you. They are programmed to work for 10 people altogether, right?
If it will be in 100 people crowd, then only 10 robots will need. We need that particular person who.
But that depends on the technology we are using in it. Now, for example, if I upgrade that same robot and I install the capacity of 100 persons in a robot, then I will need only one supervisor for that. That is what I'm asking. No, okay, if there is a chance of development on one side, on the other side there is a problem with employment, right? So that is why each side could be having pros and cons. Yes.
What if someone makes make a mistake and put the wrong program in the robot?
See, that is secondary. Your point is right, but that is secondary. It is after the invention. If after the invention, no, my solution is done with invention. My problem was that I don't want to work, so I'll hire a robot for me. That's it. And the robot will work all the things for me. So I'm free now. I can do something else. Practically, it is not possible. At least for now, it is not possible, right? You might have seen Hollywood movies where there are robots working for people, but they are given task which is very nominal or which is not too connected to the process. So they are doing there are people in America, there are factories where they hire robots for the machinery works. So where the people employed there are unemployed right now, right? I'm talking about the primary stage where people are getting unemployed because of the placement of robots in their place. Getting? So that could be a primary problem where people lose their job because of advancement of technology, right? Okay. Next is explore. Again, exploring means exploring places, exploring people, exploring locations, right? So you can explore anything. You can go for traveling, you can go for blogging, you can go for travelogues, anything that you like, right? So that you can know and you have better platforms to express your thoughts, to get opinions on their thoughts, right? So web surfing can be a great way to have fun and get some cool ideas. For example, if you do not know, we will definitely going to search it, right? Why do we use Google? To have fun. What kind of fun? Then I need to ask.
Every kind of.
Asha, give me examples of 4 or 5. Chalo.
Playing games with Google Assistant.
Okay.
Getting some new trends in the market by Google.
Okay. No, Google also provides different types of tools like calendars, notepads, Meet, right? Sheets, docs, all of them are the different things that we use through Google only, without which they are not accessible, right? So it could have multiple usages too. So visit popular entertaining websites, question answers platform, popular forums, and learn social media trends. Now, as we know that Instagram is one of the place where there is a different section for paid partnerships, right? Earlier it wasn't there, but now people collaborating with different brands, different companies, different entities, they find it a place. No, people do not open their stores, people open their pages, rather they open their portals on Instagram and you can order from them, right? That means what? That Instagram is a one shop where you're opening your page and people come to buy from that page, right? That means it's also a platform for buying and selling, isn't it or not? It's a place where collaborations happen. It's a place where every news comes before even the TV, right? Because of easy spread, community, people, reach of people, and obviously the following of peoples, right? Whatever hashtags I follow, I would definitely have randoms from everywhere, right? Or for example, somewhere I have liked many pictures about Bollywood. So in my suggestions, I will definitely have pages which are related to Bollywood. Every day I'll have at least 10 suggestions from Instagram that has Bollywood somewhere connected. That means what? The reach that platform has. You can have followers, you can have customers, you can have connections, any part of the world. That means what? Better connectivity, right? So that is why social media is considered. Even Facebook now has an ad that says better sales and purchase. It has also introduced a separate category for ads. If you might have seen that tab of Google, right? They have also introduced a different category, a different tab for showing the ads. For example, I want to buy AirPods. I'll type AirPods and it will have different sections from Google that shows different brands with AirPods, right or not? So that means what? You can explore different platforms from there. So what are the some hot topics of discussion and popular shared posts on social media networks? It can be a good source of ideas. For example, whatever is happening around right now. Okay, what are the current news, if I could know, globally? Okay, that is something not our concern here. Concern to companies, but I'm talking about brands, customers, products, anything that is into news right now. How can you forget the breakdown of WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook? Do you know that 52,000 billion is not a small amount, right?
Very small amount for Mark Zuckerberg.
He went to the 6th position from the world's richest person, even before the Adani's group,
Yeah.
right? That means what? Those are products now. Those are products of Facebook. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp are the products of Mark Zuckerberg. Services. It's a product. It's not service. It's a product. It's a product.
WhatsApp was different company. Instagram was different.
It's a product,
but it provides the service to the customer of getting socially connected.
But it's a platform. It's a product that gets connectivity. And what services? For example, messaging, texting, video calling. All of them are services provided by WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a tool or it's a product, whatever you call it, right? So if that could break down, and even it is a news that one six-year-old person, kid from China, has hacked that system, which took 6-year-old kid hacked that system of Facebook. I mean, think about the situation where a 6-year-old can mess up the situation of world's largest networks, right? So is it a tragedy or? That is something different now. I'm talking about the things that happen around us, right? So I can get an idea that if a 6-year-old can do something like that, I would definitely go for hacking. At least for ethical one, not unethical one, but at least I could ethical one, because if you know hacking, it could be anyway, right? And hacking is one of the growing professions nowadays. Right. Next one, travel more. Now, can you tell me how traveling more could help you to generate ideas?
By meeting new people.
By meeting new people, understanding the language, their culture.
By understanding the trends that are going in that particular area.
Right. Knowing their moral values, knowing their beliefs, what do they like, what they do not like, what traditions they follow. Right. For examples, we have, we used to have very spicy food in India, but now that spicy food is already reached to different parts of the world. How come? Because of traveling. I went to my aunt in America. I bought that for her. She liked it. She passed it on to then other people, and then it surfaced all over the place. And it became famous because of one or the other reason. So that means what? Traveling can explore many horizons of your minds, right? So traveling is one of the most excited and effective ways to get inspired and generate ideas for business. Visit different countries, meet new people, learn cultures, and spend time sightseeing. It is like a breath of fresh air in daily life. Why do you need traveling? Or why do you need to relax and chill? That is too lame, Raman. Chalo. Why do you travel? Just to roam around?
Yes.
I don't travel to roam around. Divya is traveling. Okay. Well, you know everything, na, Manana.
She just gets status. Right? You know.
Okay. Chalo, tell me. Why do you travel? What are your purpose to travel? Mine, I'll tell you mine at the end. Chalo, quickly. Naman, tell me yours. Chalo. Don't tell me Kiwi, I want to spend. That is why I'm just using my money. You can use your money by sitting idly also. By ordering pizza. Why to spend more money in traveling? Na? Travel also need energy.
તમને certificate ની કરતા લાગો. હવે બીજાને લાગો.
So just
ઘણા
tell me.
ખોટા આવ્યા છે.
Tell me, chalo, quickly, everyone. New food stuff. Okay, so basically that food taste. You might enter to a food industry, right? Yes, you. Are you really interested in history of a country? So you better go to
અહીંયા નથી ને એટલે.
Egypt or somewhere like that, na?
ખુશી મામી.
You want to go Egypt? Even I thought so. I'll go to Egypt at least once, or Prague.
She has gathered almost more than 1.5 crores. She will spend this.
You know, I have a dream that I explore maximum parts of the world, so I'll definitely try one of them.
આમ શું હે દીકરો?
But I need money for that. But I need money for that, no? How would I spend if I do not have money? Travel for free.
1.5 crore ભેગા થાય.
Or rather, I could join any company that provides me free travel. Right?
અરે
Just like travel bloggers, they do the same now. They get hired by the travel companies.
માર્કેટિંગ મેનેજર ભરવાનું જ બધી દે. જેમ કોટકમાં અરે એક્સિસ માં થયેલું.
They didn't allow us to farwa jao anywhere, huh? Chalo. So that happens when you enter different countries, when you meet new people, that you know, get to know their cultures, their habits, their traditions, how do they live their lives, how socially they are improved or not, what kind of lifestyle they live in, right? So that depends on how you travel and where you travel. For example, I live in a developing country. So if I go to a developed country, it would be a benefit for me because I will get to explore more. But if it happens opposite of that, I go to an underdeveloped country, then I'll find a very much anxiety to see the people there because I have not seen that situation. For example, there people do not have money to buy 2 meals a day.
Yeah.
They are that much poor. Probably many places in Rajasthan. The not city area, the village areas of Rajasthan, people are wagers there. Wagers means what? They earn daily and they eat daily. The day they do not earn, they will not have food in their homes. So it's a situation where people are not having 2 meals a day. So that's a situation different than me. No, I can at least earn to feed my family better, right? So, but if I see Mukesh Ambani, I would like to be having more of it, right? Because even I would like to have a house like Antilia. And I mean, who would not like to have?
આથી એ બધાય 27 માળના ઘરને પાળીને ક્યાં જાવું છે?
At least not Satyai Sat. Sat could be a better.
કેટલું માંગી લે ખબર?
But that too, you should have money for maintenance also, na? If you buy Mercedes, but you do not have money to buy the diesel, how would you maintain that? By putting water in,
મોટા પાણી ના વેચી નાખો.
by putting water into it.
હવે જો મોટરથી હાલતું બાઈક આવી ગયું.
I'm talking about Mercedes.
એમાંય પાણી
I dream to buy Mercedes personally, but if I do not have money for the maintenance, would I buy a Mercedes? Think about it.
Activa તો લ્યો પેલા.
That I already bought.
ગાડી લઉં.
That is what I said. Now I want Mercedes. Chalo. Next one is building your network. One of the example of network building is
રિલેશનશિપ મેનેજર એક્સિસ બેંક.
LinkedIn, a platform that we have already accessed, right? You might have created your own profiles. Have you created it or not?
Yes.
Right? So LinkedIn is a platform that provides you enough opportunities for finding jobs, for connecting people, for joining new courses, for better reach, for better content, right? So all of them builds your network. For example, if you might have heard about a person that was in our introduction section for semester 1. Mr. Tim. No, it's not Tim Cook. It was something Tim. I don't know. He's a person. He's a professor in Germany, and Dean sir invited him to us via LinkedIn. That means see a person. We had our orientation session for semester 1, right? Last month only, and he was invited to have the orientation of semester 1. 7. Think a situation where you are connected on LinkedIn only, and you invite that person that is too away, too far from you, and still manages to do the same. That's a power of connectivity. That's a power of network, right? That person sitting in India, dean of a university, wanted to have an introduction of someone from a different country, from a different field, from a different industry, right? Gets invited via LinkedIn and to an unknown person who becomes now known to every semester 1 student. How? Just through LinkedIn. And now everyone in semester 1 knows Mr. Tim. Why so? Because he was the chief guest for the orientation program. Chalo, great. So building a network is one of the most creative idea that you can have. You have more connectivity with the people, and then you can explore more people, right? So building a good network will give you an opportunity to switch from working hard to working smart. Now, what is working hard and what is working smart? Differentiate between the two.
Working smart and like that, working hard and then
Difference between working hard and working smart. But can that be achieved without work hard? Yes. Every time, yes. Do you think that working smart would be a better choice always? Why no?
Sometimes that smartness can convert into over smartness, and then the person gets into the
trouble situation, right?
No.
Okay, Tim Matthias pins the name of the professor who came in semester 1. Yes, Lisa. See, Lisa, everything. Lisa knows everything. Great, huh, Lisa? I forgot the name, but she knows it. Yeah, Let you discuss personally, okay? Chalo. So do you think that working smart would always be a better option than working hard? See, working smart is a good situation, but you cannot achieve that situation without working hard. Right? If I want to become a scholar, can I not read and become a scholar? Can I not learn and become a scholar? Is it possible to become a scholar without reading and learning?
Yes.
How? Yeah, that is what I'm saying, that you can be smart, you can read, but not always. What I want to say is that you could be smart, but not all the times. Or you could be working hard, not every time. Differentiate between the two is working hard is necessary, okay, but if there is an option already available for working smart, why would I choose working hard? If I'm getting notes readily available from the teachers, why would I write them? Depending upon the situation. That is what I'm asking. That depends on the situation. What kind of work you are asking about? For example, the wagers could not work smart, na? They need to work hard to get the money earned. So there is no smart work there. There is compulsory hard work. But for managers, smart work is necessary to get the things done from others. He is not doing any hard work. He's just working smart by instructing people to do the work. But how would you know that? Because you have someday you were there, and you are from there to you have come here. That is working hard, and this is working smart. That is what I do, right? So Connecting with professionals in the sphere of your business niche can bring not only an understanding of the highest customer's need, but can help you to get tons of smart advice from influencers and top leaders. Do you think influencers succeed today's generations? Everyone want to become influencers.
I mean, Sindhi people.
Do you think they actually have fame or something like that? Or they are just overrated? I feel them overrated celebrities. That is a different story. My thing, I want to say that nowadays every teenager wants to become an influencer in any part. It could be TikTok. Everyone is a real star. Don't you think so? People in your following list. In your following list. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about even I do so. But the influence that social media has created on people or on children in general, that it's a great story ahead. But it's not always that. We have seen many influencers who die by clicking pictures on the mountain cliff, who die while walking on the ropes on the mountains points, right? Or who die because of bungee jumping just to record bungee jumping, right? So there are different bad effects too, if you look about exploring different things, right? So according to Kate Ferrazzi, the author of the book Never Eat Alone, connecting with the right people is a true art that can help you to reach great business goals. Even if I am a new person here, but I have connections who are already established in the market. For example, why are you laughing, Naman? Gosh, Naman, please stop that. Okay, so that means what? That business goals could be achieved even if I'm new, but I have better connections, I have better support, and I have better networks, right? That is why building network is one of the methods to generate the business ideas, right? Why so? We have next one, 6 also. Okay, let's see how many we have. We have at least 10 if I'm not wrong. Okay, fine. So let it be. Let's keep it up to here only for the day, right? And we will continue with the next one with the same topic. Okay, everyone? Any problem up till now? Anything?
No, ma'am.
How would you have problem, Yash, if you have not answered?
Ma'am, at that time I was not in a position to answer you, but I was listening.
Great. Okay, I got to know it. Okay, fine. Let it be. So that's it for the day. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.